What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at again with another video. So I just pulled up to this place called If You Know, You Know Garage. I've always wanted to check this place out because they be having some dope vehicles, rare vehicles, very expensive cars, and they're having a little pop-up meet today, so I wanted to check it out. I always wanted to, you know, get some footage of this particular place because, like I said, they be having some dope cars over here, and definitely want to see what's gonna pop out tonight. You know, something real quick for you guys. But I know it's been a minute since I've actually posted a car meet per se. I've been going to a few. It's just when I actually check out the footage, it's not really worth posting on YouTube. You know, I don't want to kind of waste y'all time, so I want to post some car meets where you see some cars that you normally don't see, or maybe something happens that's worth posting on the channel. So I think this one may be a winner. We're gonna check it out. Appreciate all the love, support y'all shown on the channel, and let's get right into it, man. This is a tough route. This is a tough route. On bags, that's crazy. Oh, nah, this is fire right here. Oh, this motherfucker is clean. Look at that interior. Yeah, SL63. This motherfucker's clean. Ooh. All these all parked next to each other. Alfa Romeo. Oh, GT4 RS. What's up? Playing. Old school SS. The G-Wagon. This is bad, right here.